I asked ChatGPT to investigate every spray ceramic coating advertised online that had verifiable data. And we have been lied to. Let's talk about it. Ceramic is the most abused word in car care right now. Everything is suddenly a ceramic coating, especially products that add shine and bead water. So I decided to put it to the test. I asked ChatGPT to scan official documentation, safety data sheets, technical sheets, and official product claims from every single spray ceramic coating it could find on Google and tell me if they are really a ceramic coating. And now we have the results. We have a verified data set. I do wish to make a point that this is not an opinion. It is not my opinion. It is what the manufacturers themselves have published, cross-referenced against chemistry and data without any bias whatsoever. Before we look at the results, let's first understand some of the terminology and the definitions that'll help us understand the data better. According to research published through the National Center for Industrial Coatings and Surface Engineering, true ceramic coatings are built on silane chemistry that bonds to the surface and cross-links into a hard glass-like network, meaning that an actual chemical transformation occurs where the coating becomes part of the surface. Silicon dioxide powder, also known as SiO2 or ceramic particles, don't do that. They are additives in a liquid carrier to make water bead and add a little bit of shine, but they do not chemically bond and harden into a protective layer. So the keywords we are looking for to define a real ceramic coating are silane and siloxane in the chemical composition of the products. The difference between the two is that a real ceramic coating reacts with the surface chemically to cross-link and form a durable hard layer like a chain, where the other sits on the surface as a temporary additive with limited protection and durability, lacking the chemical and UV resistance found in normal ceramic coatings. Alright, now that the boring stuff is out of the way, let's look at the results. Out of the 60 products that are reviewed that are labeled as a ceramic coating that are sprayed on and wiped off, only 2 were really based on ceramic paint protection technology. The other 58 are not. And that means that roughly 97% of spray ceramic coatings online are not ceramic coatings by chemistry. Let that sink in because the data doesn't lie. It is what the manufacturers have disclosed themselves in their own documentation. Most spray bottles that say ceramic are not ceramic coatings at all. They are instant detailers, spray waxes, or polymer sealants with a little bit of silica and graphene mixed in. And before anybody thinks that silica or graphene magically turns whatever you put them in into a ceramic coating, it doesn't. These ingredients are additives. They are not active coating chemistry. It's like me sprinkling a little bit of chocolate on a piece of toast, giving it to my kids and saying, here, have some cake. It doesn't magically turn the toast into a cake because it's got a bit of chocolate sprinkle on it. So taking all of this into account, it kind of makes sense now why not all spray coatings are created equal. And this result isn't just shocking, it's very concerning that companies use these words without any fact and then the consumer pays for it unknowingly. Spray sealants are great if you just want a little bit of shine and a little bit of water beading, and there's nothing wrong with that. The market needs these kinds of products. But if you want a real ceramic coating, you need to make sure that you are buying a real ceramic coating by looking at the chemistry. If you want my personal recommendation, I choose our Gel Premier. I have been using it for years and it is a real ceramic spray. It is one of the 2 products on the list that has been validated by ChatGPT. If you have found this video to be helpful, you should definitely watch this video right here next, where I break down each type of paint protection and show you what's worth your money. And if you want to give me a little bit of love for doing this analysis, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.